Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. EURUSD is showing a surge in the volume of long positions. So the pair has left the horizontal channel of 1.0670, 1.0750. As a result, the quote has locally risen above the 1.0800 level. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI technical indicator is hovering in the upper area of 5070, which indicates a bullish bias. It is important to highlight that hitting the 1.0800 low means reaching the overbought zone. The alligator moving averages are headed upwards in the 4-hour chart. In order to enter the next stage of growth, the price must settle above 1.0800, which theoretically could indicate a recovery process relative to the recent corrective cycle. Otherwise, the price could turn the other way and move towards the upper boundary of the previous channel. In terms of complex indicator analysis, the short-term and intraday periods point to a bullish bias. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. Yesterday, the pound closed the day up by 56 pips. The price urgently breached the target level of 1.2745. Currently, GBPUSD is precisely at the 1.2745 level. The signal line of the modern oscillator has reached the boundary of the upward trend territory and, in the absence of an impetus, will follow the path of least resistance, which means that it will fall. Considering that the US is celebrating a holiday, the pound might have stopped rising, so we can expect the price to pull back from the resistance level today. If this anticipated pullback continues tomorrow after the release of the US employment data, we expect the price to reach the target support at 1.2596, which is the January 17 low. If the price closes above 1.2745 today, it will increase the likelihood of rising to the target resistance at 1.2826 tomorrow. On the 4-hour chart, the price is showing progress above the balance and the MACD indicator lines. But it has moved far away from them. The modern oscillator senses this and is already declining. The support will be the area in the range of 1.2705-2710, marked on the chart, around the July 1 peak. What about natural gas commodity asset? Arif Makmur describes. If we look at the weekly chart of the natural gas commodity asset, several interesting things can be seen. Firstly, the appearance of the bearish 1, 2, 3 pattern. Secondly, the restraint of the strengthening movement of NG at the level of the bearish fair value gap area, which acts as a supply resistance area, which is strong enough to make this commodity asset return weakening. And the third is confirmation of deviations in the price movement of NG, which makes a higher high. but the stochastic oscillator indicator, on the contrary, forms a higher low. So based on the three facts above, in the next 2 weeks, NG has the potential to continue its weakening to the level of 2.264. And if there's no correction, especially significant the strengthening correction that breaks above the 3.187 level, then NG will continue its weakening to the 2.094. And if the momentum and volatility are supportive, then the 1.970 level will be the next target that will be tried to be tested. That's all for today. See you online soon.